Hi, I'm Susan.
And I'm Kelly.
We're from Wheeling, West Virginia.
Go Mountaineers.
And we've been on the Easy Israel tours for the past 10 days. Every day was special in its own way, a wow experience, one right after the other. Thanks to Trish. Trish had everything organized. She was very compassionate to our needs, especially since we are slow movers.
Very slow.
But despite the fact that we are slow, we never felt rushed or pushed to go faster, and keep the schedule. And she adjusted the schedule and was flexible. So we are forever thankful for Trish and how she helped us along.
Yeah, we came as strangers and left as a family.
Amen to that.
Amen. So,
you'll never be the same.